Let us discuss one shortcut approach on average, which is nothing but one logical approach. If we can apply logic properly on average, then we can find some of the questions would be much easier rather than going with by cumbersome calculation. Just logically, we can solve it. We will take one such question. Here, first of all, it has mentioned that 25 students are there, average age of 25 students, which is 12, and then 5 new students added, and the average is going up by zero point 0.3. In good number of such cases, our major requirement is to understand that what is happening. That means these 5 new students, whenever they are added it up, they are taking this average by zero point 0.3. That means they are contributing more. So the concept of contribution, it is more or less is our important part of this approach. Here, existing number of students, how many it has mentioned? It is 25 number of students. And what is their existing average? That is given as 12. Now, how many students are adding in this case? New students, it is actually 5. Now, whenever it has been done, please think of it that if these new students come with the same average of 12, then the existing average will not go on changing, but it is changing. Here it is going up. So what happened? Average increased by how much it has mentioned? 0.3. But 0.3, it has increased for how many of the students? For total 30 students. This is actually, it is going on. It is going up. So they are contributing how much extra? If their average, that 5 new students come with their average of 12, then there would be no any extra contribution. But here some extra contribution happening, and that is happening for all 30 students. So what is that extra contribution? Extra contribution, I need to think of it for how many it is happening on the basis. So it should be 30 multiplied by 0.3. That is nothing but 9. So extra contribution is 9. That is most important part, that 5 new students contribute an extra 5 and this 9. But extra means their average, if they were not contributing anything extra, it need to be 12. So what would be, question is, what is the average age of new students? New 5 students. So to find the average of new students, it would be nothing but 12 plus that extra 9 divided among 5 people. So 9 by 5. But this way we need to solve it. So 9 by 5, it is nothing but 1.8. So it would be 13.8. So answer is 13.8. So this is entirely one approach, which is logical approach, and that shortcut technique is very important for students to learn.